In this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step how to change the color of the subject's clothing to any color you like.
Okay.
Let's go.
First, we make a copy of our original layer. Then, using the Select menu, Color Range, and select Color Picker, we choose the color areas of the clothing. We use the Select tool to subtract or add mistakenly selected parts from the selection area. After finishing the selection steps, we hit the mask option to apply the selection. Change to any color. To change the subject's color to the desired color, we first open a hue saturation adjustment layer and apply it to the masked layer. Then, from the opened menu, we move the sliders to achieve the desired color. And that's the final result. Change to black color. We follow the same steps as before, but with the difference that we set the saturation to -100 and move the lighting slider towards the negative, enough to maintain the original texture of the clothing. To make it look more natural, we open a curve adjustment layer. We choose this option, we go over the bright parts once and move it up a bit. Then, go over the dark parts of the clothing and move it down. We repeat this process several times until we achieve the desired result. And that's the final result. Change to white color. To change the color of the subject to white, we follow the same steps as before, but with the difference that we move the lighting slider towards the positive until it turns into the color white while maintaining the original texture of the clothing. To make it look more natural, we open a curve adjustment layer. We choose this option, go over the dark parts of the clothing and move it down a bit. Then, we go over the bright parts and move it up. We repeat this process several times until we achieve the desired result. And that's the final result. Change to gradient color. Select the gradient from the adjustment layer, choose a color combination as desired. Change the layer mode to multiply. And then use the curves effect to make the color of the clothing look more natural. And that's the final result. Add pattern color. Import the pattern we want and adjust its dimensions to fit the clothing. Holding down the Alt key, we click on the layer to apply it to the underlying layer. Now, we change the layer mode to multiply. And this is the final result of this tutorial. You can download this image from the link provided in the description. Support us by subscribing and liking. Also, leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.